In this video, I'm going to show you how to have multiple charts on TradingView. So the first thing that you want to do here is just go to an asset that you want to view the chart for. So for the example, we have Netflix.com. So go to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see this square button here. This is not just a square, this is actually the layout for our chart. So just click on it and you'll be able to see different layouts that you could actually choose from. So for the example, we're just going to do the two view layout. And when we do that, we are actually able to see two Netflix charts on our screen. So for you to change the other chart, because you don't want duplicate charts on your screen, you want the other one to be a different asset or different stock uh, other than the first one. So you just need to make sure that you select the that chart first. So there's gonna be a blue highlight around it. Just make that ensures that you selected that chart. So once you've selected that chart, move here on the stack section, or you could just type in into your keyboard, like for example, Apple Inc. I'm just gonna type that and click on it, and that will change the chart on the section that I've selected to Apple. So right now I have Netflix and Apple. So if you want other charts to be viewable on your screen, you could have six uh, several tabs, but this consists of having the Pro for TradingView. But if you want to have like the Pro version for TradingView, you'll be able to use the other layouts here, and you'll be able to view multiple charts at the same time. But for example, you don't want to go and use the Pro version for uh, TradingView. You could just create a new tab window here and just get them side by side. Just type in TradingView here, and you could just open a new section here for TradingView or for the chart, and that will serve as the same purpose as you have here for like four windows here. Yeah, so hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.